friends, it's Danny. Welcome back to Dine It Frugal. On today we're making a 5-ingredient nachos recipe. It's really quick, really easy and super tasty, and it's one of those great recipes that you can make when you don't want to cook and you don't also want to eat out. So I always have the ingredients for this on hand just in case we want it on the fly, or even if we have people over. It's a great thing that you can just put together, throw in the oven, and you can serve your guests in 20 minutes. So it's a great thing to have on hand. So I want to share with you how I make these, and let's get started. All right, so we're going to start off with the first 3 ingredients. First one is, now I just bought these from Aldi. It's not a sponsored video, but I just got them from Aldi because we like them, and it's the nacho cheese flavored corn chips. So what we're going to do is, in my 9x13 inch pan, I'm going to add half of the chips here. So I think that's about half of the chips here, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our salsa. This is just a store-bought salsa. You could use homemade if you wanted to. So we like the mild one. You could make it as spicy as you like. So again, I'm going to go over with half. I'm trying to get it on as even as possible. Okay, so I've got half of that there. And the last thing we're going to do is add our tasty cheese. We call it tasty cheese in Australia. It's just cheddar cheese. So I'm going to go on with half, and that's about a cup of cheese. But you choose how much or how little cheese you want. Okay, next layer. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I've got my oven preheated. So now that I have the corn chips evenly distributed, I'm just going to go and do a second layer. So I'm going to add the rest of my salsa. These smell so good. I can't wait to dig in. And last off, we're going to go ahead and put the rest of our cheese on. So I'm just going to sprinkle that evenly over the top. I mean, I've been to some Mexican restaurants or some restaurants where I've ordered nachos, and they have been so disappointing that I can make them better at home for under $5. I mean, this recipe costs almost nothing to make and feeds a lot of people. This is what they look like before I put them in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese has melted on both layers, and then that's all we have to do. We can serve up at that point. Okay, timer's going on for 15 minutes. All right, here we are, straight out of the oven. I'm going to plop them straight down on the table on my little heat mat, of course, and we're going to serve. I'm just serving it up with some avocado dip. You can use real avocado if you want to, and sour cream, and that's it. That's dinner done. So Matt doesn't want to be on camera, but I am absolutely starving, and I'm going to dig in and enjoy this. I just want to say thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you decide to make these nachos. I hope you enjoy them. They're so easy, so cheap to make, and are a great thing to share with friends. So see you next time. Bye.